Hey guys, today I'm gonna explain you the English course that we are gonna see this time. The name of this course is going to be English vocabulary, right? So we are gonna be focused just on the vocabulary. The course is divided in 3 parts. The first one is going to be the beginner one, and over here we have 2 subcategories. The first one, it's greetings, which is the ability of saying hello and goodbye, occupations related with the context of each one. The second step is intermediate vocabulary, and over here we have first of all and mainly the verbs. In verbs we're going to include both categories, regulars and irregulars, all the rules, the usage, and actually all the information which is related with this topic. But also after the verbs we're gonna see the common and useful expressions. We're gonna base this step basically in a theory called base text learning, which is how to use a specific vocabulary in a specific context. Then we're gonna finish that course with the advanced vocabulary. This is the one that I really like more. And here we have phrasal verbs and collocations. Actually we put this in this part of the course because actually you have to understand this by the context. So if you try to translate this literally, maybe you are gonna get confused with this. So basically guys, that's going to be our course. I hope you enjoy too much. See you next time.